copyright.
Copyright.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we just got done. My brother picking me up now. I broke my damn axle, but it's okay. We're gonna pick up my truck and trailer right now. Yeah. We got the 92 on the dash. Oh, we stuck. Oh, here we go. Ooh. Oh, what's the skills? You gotta cut in. Oh. Oh, it's a 2024 Kona end line, baby. 2024 Kona end line, y'all. What do y'all think? Do we need to do a downpipe and a tune? What y'all recommend? What you think? Let me know. I'll let my brother know. We in the Kona end line, baby. Yes, sir. Kiko's with us. Right, Kiko? I got some bad news, guys. That's all right. We're gonna get to the drawing board. He do tricks and everything. Yeah, he's Kiko. Yeah, his name is Kiko, man. Cool little dog.
I got one.
Yeah?
He's a Labradoodle.
Okay, almost like this, I guess.
Yeah, he's just big. He's bigger than that.
Oh, he's bigger.
And that motherfucker,
You gotta watch him, huh?
We call it Hijo Tito, that little motherfucker.
Fuck anything.
His little fucking thing.
Oh, he what?
His little fucking hoto.
I got one plane.
Oh, hell.
Like
Oh, hell.
He's not going to get a 60-foot spot.
Yeah, man, I broke my axle first run. I just put the slicks
Put him
on
in
my
a top
car.
fold, regular. Put him in a top
Yeah, I just put
fold.
the slicks on it.
Never mind.
Fuck, man, I wasn't prepared. Next time I gotta bring my truck and trailer, man. Fuck.
Oh, you came over here?
In just a car, bro. I got it gutted, no tools, no extra tools, no parts. Oh, my brother coming. I said, don't give me, get my truck and trailer. That's okay. Yeah, that's okay. Can't win them all. I've been getting my ass handed to me every time I come here. I gotta put a turbo on my shit.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's a little Acura. It's a 4-cylinder. Fuck, man. Everybody's fast in here. Yeah, man. Fuck.
It's alright.
It's alright. You gotta start from the
It's gonna
bottom.
make you fast too.
Yeah. Not going. Yeah, I already got the turbo. I got the manifold. Got the plumbing. I got the oil lines. Got the oil pan. I'm almost ready. I need a map sensor. It's on the way. Now I actually, I'm gonna get a stronger axle.
How many RPMs you plan on turning this thing?
Shit, right now it's bouncing off 7,500. Yeah, but it's non-VTEC. Yeah, so. Yeah.
Good thing must have wheelie control.
Yeah, that bitch did not wheelie.
Next pair coming in, BMW the right lane. Ram to the left.
Fucking spider.
No burnouts. I didn't get the number in the Ram.
Damn.
Around the corner so fast.
Don't bring that big
All right,
bag
brother.
up here, dog.
Hey, nice to meet you. All right, brother. Yes,
Put the
sir.
numbers in.
Alright,
Alright, I got Rambo there.
thank you, bro. It's okay. This one's nice. Good luck, bro. Oh, it's boosted. The hell is boosted, boy? Yes, sir. Oh, that's all motor.
Hey, you like driving today?
No, bro.
Right lane Mustang gets the win. BMW to the left, Charger in the right.
Hey, bro. You think my car gonna be all right over there? We got the truck and trailer. Alrighty. Check it out, Belly. It is packed today.
Where you going, my boy?
Right there to the car.
Where?
Right there, straight ahead. gas or what?
They can't no more.
What they got right there? What they do?
Nothing. They just sell nitrous.
They sell nitrous out there?
If you don't want to speed safe, just roll through it. Just back off and pull in. Real quick.
Go in front of that nigga.
Alright, right there got a next header coming on in. This is very, very slow. I'll see backing out. Did Monica pick the right one?
Hey, I was about to ask you. Say, you want some more? He's on slow.
C7 Irving in the right lane. C7 in the left lane. C7 will win this race.
And we are at the end of the video, guys. I appreciate you, and girls, I appreciate you staying on my channel and watching this episode. So yeah, we broke the axle off the line, first one out. Track was super sticky. I did not preload my suspension or preload my axles. I was kind of nervous actually. I don't know better now when I go into it again. You know, preload suspension, ride the clutch, you know, emergency brake down, squat the tail, so and launch. So we already changed the axle already on the trailer. You saw that portion of it. So all right, we're gonna make another video, go back to Yellow Belly and hit it again. I need to get a good pass in before I get this turbo kit installed. So all right, y'all, appreciate it for watching. I'm your boy AD. I'm out. Peace.